Hi, I'm Marie Sellett. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to make an origami balloon or ball. I'm using origami paper. It's printed on one side and colored on the other. You can make a square out of any piece of paper by making a triangle and trimming off the excess. And in fact, we're gonna fold a triangle. We're pre-folding and pre-creasing because it's neater that way. So I've pre-folded both triangles, and now I'm pre-folding both sides. Now I'm going to fold it in half, edgewise, and fold it in half again, making a small square. And then I'm going to open up the side to make a wide triangle. I'm going to flip it over and do that again. Open up that square into a wide triangle. You've pre-creased those, so that goes pretty easily. Next, I'm going to take this, each side, and fold it up to the center so the tip is at the top. Flip that over and do it again. Fold that up so that the side corner goes up to the top. On the other side too. Now I'm going to take this side of the diamond and fold it to the center. We do that to all four side corners. We do the two on this side, flip it over, do the two on the other side. Now you'll notice that one side is closed and the other side is open. And that side has a little pocket. And we're going to tuck this corner down into there. Usually what I do is I pre-fold it once wherever, and then the second time against the edge of that. And then I open this up and I tuck it all inside that pocket. I'll show you again. I fold this over. Doesn't really matter where. And then I fold this so that it's at the edge of that pocket. And then I move it out of the way, open the pocket up, and stuff that inside. I'm going to do that to flip it over and do it to the other side. Fold that over. It's just easier for me than trying to stuff it all in the pocket without making a neat edge. So all four are folded in. Now that we have that folded, on the open end, you're going to blow into it and blow it up into a ball.